Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set outline for materials in Unreal Engine 5. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more Unreal Engine tutorials. Thank you. Alright, first here I create a new material and I name it highlight-matte. Now I open my material and here I set material domain to surface and I set blend mode to masked. And here I set two-sided to true. Alright, now here I right click and search for two-sided sign. Now I drag a node and search for one minus and I connect it to opacity mask. Now here I right click and search for vertex normal. Vertex normal WS, and here I drag a node and add a multiply node, and here I right click and search for a scalar parameter and I name it thickness, which is actually the thickness of outline of this overlay material, and I connect it to this input of multiply and I connect it to world position offset. Now here I hold number 3 key and left click to add a vector constant, and now I right click here and convert it to a parameter and I name it color, which is actually the color of outline of overlay material. Now here I should select color. In this case I choose this blue color and I connect it to emissive color. Now I hit this apply and save. Now I close my material and here I right click and right click on this material and I create a new material instance. And here, as you can see, I can set my thickness value and also I can change color. Here I set thickness to 1. Alright, now I save and close this material instance. Now I open my character blueprint, which in this case it is BP underscore third person character. Here inside event graph I right click and search for a debug key, for example here I add B button, C button, debug key. Now I drag and drop my mesh, my character mesh, and here I drag a node and search for set overlay material, and here I search for my highlight material instance and connect it to here, and I also get a copy of these two nodes and connect them here, and this time I set it to none. Alright, now I compile and run the game. Now if I press C button, this overlay material, this highlight overlay material will be added to my character mesh, and if I release this button, this overlay material will be removed, and I also can change the color from this material instance. For example, here I check this color parameter and now I set this pink color, and now as you can see here I have this pink outline. Alright, If this tutorial was useful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.